Why do we yawn? It's a question we've all wondered about, especially mid-yawn. One popular theory suggests that yawning helps cool down the brain. When you yawn, you take in a big gulp of air, which might help regulate brain temperature and keep it working efficiently. Ever noticed how yawning is contagious? Scientists believe this might be a way humans and animals bond socially. When one yawns, others follow. It's empathy at work. Yawning is also linked to sleepiness. It might be your body's way of boosting alertness when you're tired or preparing to relax before sleep. So whether it's cooling the brain, signaling empathy, or prepping for rest, yawning is more fascinating than we think. Like learning the truth about everyday mysteries? Subscribe to Truthly for more fascinating facts.